and I have completed my engineering in Goodlavalle Engineering College. I have passed out in 2024 and I have joined the Pyspiders recently and I got placed with a package of 3.25 LPA as Associate Software Engineer. And while I was about to complete my graduation, I have been looking for an institute which could skill up my knowledge. And then I found out that the Pyspiders Basavanagudi was best. Then I have met with the Ishan sir and took a demo. So Ishan sir was so transparent about the institution, and at every moment he helped me a lot clearing my doubts, or it may be about Python, SQL or about the classes, anything. He was very transparent and he helped me a lot, and all the other trainers are so good. So I want to thank the Pyspiders for helping me, and I also want to thank the other faculties and especially Ishan sir.